Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is on Power BI. As informed in last video that we were starting the Power BI courses, so today we will start the installation process of the Power BI desktop application. We will learn that. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe our channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find 300 plus videos that will help you in cracking the interviews on trainers, team leader, quality analyst, operation manager, Six Sigma certification, Scrum Master, project management, MS Excel dashboards, reports. Many more videos are there, guys. Let's start today's concept, that is on how to download the Power BI application. To do that, what you need to do, you need to go to start menu. Okay, you have to go to your start menu and you have to type Microsoft Edge. MIC. You have to type Microsoft Store. Okay, so once you click on Microsoft Store, not Edge, Microsoft Store. Okay, so it will take 2 minutes or 1 minute. Yes, we have a search option. In this search, you have to type Power BI. You have to type Power BI. You can see Power BI desktop. Click here, and if you click here, it will ask for the installation. Okay, it will ask for the installation. Let it get loaded, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. The tool is taking more time to load. Microsoft Store. So here you will find the icon called installation. See, you can get, I'm getting open here, right? You will get the option called installation or add or something. You will get that option. If you directly click there, it will hardly take few minutes to download. Once it get downloaded, it will be available here in your search option. You can type Power BI. Power BI. Yes, here we go. It is already available, and if you click on the application, it will get opened in this way. Yes, here we go. The Power BI application is ready. The first step what you have to do is you have to sign in with your Microsoft credentials. I would say you have to create a Microsoft credentials. The reason for creating that is, if you do that, automatically you can load multiple information which are available online, like Google Sheets and everything. So do that. Be ready. In upcoming video we will understand the basic overview about the Power BI. What is this, all the tags, and what about this, how we can start a new project. We will learn everything in our upcoming videos. So this is all about installation the Power BI desktop. Still have any doubt, let me know, guys. I will definitely try to help you out. For iPhone users, MacBook users, I will let you know about the installation process in some time. So stay alert and don't miss to click on bell icon so that you'll get notification on all the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.